They say money doesn't grow on trees, but actually it does. Here are 3 money hacks they don't teach you in school. No. 1. You can use your credit card to buy things you'll never pay back. Imagine this. You're at the grocery store and you see a TV on sale, one that you and your family will enjoy for years to come. The price is normally $1,000, but today only 40% off, so just $600. But there's a problem. Your bank account has just $200 in it and you don't have another penny on you. So what do? Easy. You take out your credit card and swipe $600. It's that simple. Now you have the TV and they even threw in the extended warranty. By the way, you get to build up points with your credit card, which means free flights to Hawaii or maybe an iPhone 13. And here's the best part. If you sign up for a rewards credit card, many of them don't charge interest as long as you pay the balance down below 9%. That means you just spent $600, but only have to pay back $200. The rest you can put on your credit card and pay it off next month. It's basically a loan from the future. So if you want something now but can't afford it, use a credit card. Just don't be like Lisa. She bought a Tesla with her credit card and couldn't pay it off, so now she drives a Toyota. Money hack no. 2. Ask for a raise. Do you know how much your parents paid for your bike when you were younger? Probably $100, but today the same bike costs $250. That's why every time you get paid, you should ask for more. Like imagine you work at McDonald's and you've been getting paid $15 an hour for the past year. You're a great employee and you work hard. So you go to your boss and you ask for a raise to $18 an hour. He says no because you signed a contract agreeing to $15 an hour for 2 years. So you have 1 more year to go, but guess what? You tell him you quit. Then he says, "Oh, we'll give you a raise." We don't want you to leave. Don't fall for it. Quitting your job is the best way to get a raise because if you do and ask for one, someone else will. It's like when I was younger, I used to buy Pokemon cards and I collected them all. But then one day I found out I had a rare card worth $100. The funny thing is, I didn't even know I had it until I did an inventory. So always ask for a raise. You never know how much your services are really worth. No. 3. Set financial goals. Did you know the average American only saves 5% of their income? That's not very much, so here's how much you should be saving. When I was younger, my dad told me, "Son, if you want to be rich, you have to save at least 20% of everything you make." I thought he was joking, but he wasn't. That's why I made it my mission to save 20% of everything I earn, whether it's from making videos, investing, or even allowance from my parents. Saving 20% allows you to buy things that you love without having to go into debt. For example, if I wanted to buy a $2,000 drone, instead of putting it on my credit card, I'd rather take out my savings and put it towards the drone. That's what I did when I saved up for my first drone. I was so proud of myself. By the way, I still have that drone. I use it to film my videos. It's actually right there. Anyway, setting financial goals is important because it gives you something to look forward to. Like when I was younger, I set a goal to save $100 a month. That way I could treat myself to something nice. After a few months of saving $100 each month, I had $1,200 in my pocket. So I went out and bought a GoPro. Not only did I achieve my goal, but I also learned a valuable lesson about saving money. Now here's your bonus money hack. If you're still watching this video, comment down below how much you currently have in your bank account. I won't tell anyone. Let's go. Alright, now that's real wealth. I'm impressed. Give yourself a massage. Well done. And of course, you're not going to tell anyone. Anyway, here's your second bonus. Watch this video next. It's gonna help you even more. Okay, bye.